Well, this is how it looks so far. I use this metallic paint from Folk Art and to paint it. Did a couple coats of that, and then I used Podge, and this is just from the Dollar Tree, just $1. And then I used as I did that, so look how it sparkles. I used this fine glitter, and this you could find at Walmart. It was less than $3, and this is how it looks so far. It's drying, but it is really sparkly. The Mod Podge is going to dry clear, and then it's only going to be the glitter left. This is going to be so big. So I am dazzling it, putting lots of glitter sequins, and then I'm going to go ahead and put these gems on there. And this is how it's starting out. Did I finish? Alright, you guys, so I lost footage of the last one when I was doing all the glamming on the pumpkin. But here is a leaf. You get this at Dollar Tree for $6 for $1. And then I just went ahead and cut it down a little bit and did a little bit of the, this is the elephant paint from, it's a chalk paint. So that's my leaf. I painted it with the elephant chalk paint and did Mod Podge on it and did the very crystal diamond glitter on it. So now we're going to be working on what's going to go around the pumpkin, which is this diamond wrap. So here's a thick diamond wrap. You buy it at Amazon. It's a big roll for like $10. Pretty awesome. I went ahead and cut it to size, and I put this little ribbon that right now they're selling it because it is a Christmas item from Walmart, and it's only 97 cents. So that's going to go around my pumpkin. So I am hot gluing this ribbon that we just did. I just stick it together and just hot gluing it all around the pumpkin. And you just have to be careful with the hot glue because obviously it's hot. It's going to all completely around. Alright guys, so what do you think of it so far? I have not, it has the ribbon on, and all it's missing is the leaf and the brooch. So I got this for $3.98 $1 at Walmart, and it has a little thing on the back, so I'm thinking of maybe if I should just pinch it in so I could reuse it or hot glue. So here it is. I glued it. This is the final product. It was the $6 pumpkin from Walmart, and to be honest, I think altogether I probably spent like $12 to make it. I wonder how much it will be to actually buy something like this. Still missing my leaf.